I challenge anyone who agrees with my message. I am currently jumping on the bandwagon because I have accepted the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. But first, I have a few things to say, and I hope you care to listen with an open mind today. This disease has hit home for me, someone I know personally, my next-door neighbor and his loving, supportive family. Our small town came together to raise money to try to better the life of one of our own who has seen better weather. This was locally. Now shifting focus more globally. This challenge has impressed me. It caught on so quickly, even caught on with several celebrities. Awareness is something beautiful, and research is too. Money supports our pursuit of the clear truth. But what if the science of this sad disease is bigger than at first it seems? The cause of this syndrome is mostly unknown, but there are certain factors that I now must condone. Nervous diseases of all different kinds need to be understood as more than meets the eye. An interest in healing across culture lines has led me to think this is a disease of our time. Those of us interested in natural cures know body, mind, and spirit must all be preserved. One may be more susceptible if you consider psychosomatics, meaning stresses in the mind can begin to wreak havoc on a body that is already weak from physical toxins that have now reached a peak in our environment like never before. It's dangerous in or outside of your door. Levels of depression and anxiety soar while we go about our lives like we're not in a war. Dis-ease on a global level means we are not at ease because there is so much wrong with so many things. The way people interact, twisted truth on the news, privacy invasion, the decisions that we choose that hurt not only the earth, but those that live on it. No one is excluded from life on this planet. We have conquered through science much of contagious disease, but what about cancer, ALS, obesity? They are the result of a lifestyle, and this style is not good. Even if it's unconscious, by the body, it's understood. Dis-ease expresses itself to try to let you know that something is wrong. The symptoms start to show. It's not the sick one's fault, it's that we're all sick. Some of us just get the shorter end of the stick. It's important to me to try to help you see that we can accomplish so much virally. Ideas like this catch on and spread from here to there. In a matter of weeks, the connected world could be aware of a different way to think that wouldn't cause us so much strife. With a different way to be, the sick could take back their life. So I hope you understand, sickness can be a result of the weakening of the values that we all need the most. Clean air, clean water, natural food. We need corporate polluters to make better rules. We must stop the conquest for resources that are scarce. Just focus on the ones built into nature's wealth. I want trustworthy leaders, transparency for truth. I want safety for the many, not just those backed by nukes. I want to share the technology that already exists, that can support equality on all continents. If this dis-ease could be eased, I know that we will see a healthy humanity. So donate money if you can. But a lasting cure is more than that. Make the world a little brighter with what you accept and how you act. If ALS can teach you anything, be grateful, you can feel. Now just listen to those feelings and we all can start to heal. Okay, good now.